Only in Taiwan.
Only in Taiwan there's orange juice.
Orange juice dispenser.
Oh, orange juice dispenser.
Dispenser. A vending machine for orange juice.
Woo. First, we're going to take a coin that says 10, and then it could use 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
And then the next step.
Okay. Look at that. I cannot get. Look at that.
It's putting already.
But I cannot get the cup.
It's processing your orange juice already.
And look at that.
Look at that, it's a real orange. Isn't it amazing?
Whoa!
It's a real orange. Wow! And it's an automatic door. Get your orange juice.
Oh, thank you. Oh, how can I get it?
Oh, wait. Let's see.
Don't spill. Whoa! What?
Isn't it amazing? You try it? Does that taste good? Real orange. Right?
Great.
Only in Taiwan. Say only in Taiwan.
Only in Taiwan we have orange juice. Not in
Or-
other countries.
Orange. Only in Taiwan there is orange juice dispenser, orange juice vending machine.
Wow. Only in Taiwan there's orange vending machine. Wow.
Oh, here's a cup. Put it
That
here.
is good.
Say-
Bye everyone. Please subscribe for my channel and please like and subscribe my channel and you won't miss my videos.
Bye.
Bye.